This is ZOULOU. Good day, everyone. I'm your lady, Nontyantyambo. Please stay with us for the next few minutes as we get to know our new guest. Today we are chilling. I can say she's a queen all the way from Nigeria. She's amazing, a queen of reggae music. Please tell us, who is Queen Ike Marimba?
My name is Georgina Ike, aka Empress Marimba, as you all know me as. I'm from Nigeria, which happens to be in West Africa, from Enugu State, through the Ike local government, and I reside in Lagos.
Ike, tell us, what kind of music do you do, and also what inspired you to do this kind of music?
My style of music, well, I do reggae music, specifically lovers rock. I got my inspiration, I do get my inspiration from people, and I'll say I got my inspiration from someone very dear, someone special. Reggae music is a positive food for the soul.
Ike, what have you achieved as an artist so far?
And I've been able to also be on some stages, on some platforms, which have helped me a lot too. You know, I've played events in a lot of places, both big events, small events, medium-sized events, if we put it that way. But I'm still looking up to playing on very, 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 very large stages, you know, probably in Jamaica, probably in SA, probably in Germany, France, name it.
That's very interesting, Ike Marimba. So tell us, what is the future of Ike Marimba in the industry?
I see the future as being very, very, very bright and clear. In fact, extremely beautiful. You know, aside from music, aside from singing, there are still other things that I would like to offer.
Queen Marimba, tell us about the 2 singles that you just released.
My album project. Well, I recently released 2 songs, Shower Me With Your Love and Come On Back. I already had Shower Me With Your Love out before, but because there was no video, you know, attached to it, I had to rework on it and release it again. Like the producer of Come On Back, Tia Ainiti, is way back there in South Africa. The studio I also work with Waterflow. Then I also have my writer with me, Michael Blaze.
Back to our famous question. So Ike, how did the COVID-19 affect your art?
Whoa, the COVID-19, wow, it was really gruesome. Wow, you know, everywhere locked down, no movement, no nothing. It was horrible, it was horrid, but we had no choice. We all had to stay indoor, you know, just to keep ourselves and our families safe. It changed a lot of plans, you know. My album was put on hold, my EP on hold, singles on hold, videos on hold. In fact, basically everything was on hold.
When you're not in the studio cooking your music, what other activities do you enjoy doing?
Watching movies. I'm not going to lie. I love watching movies. I love to lazy about. I love to read. And I love to cook. I'm a super cook.
What can you say to the fans and followers of Ike Marimba?
I like to say a huge thank you to all my beautiful fans right here in Nigeria, and also not forgetting my fans out there also in South Africa, Gambia, Zimbabwe, Malawi, Ghana, in short, all over the world, I would like to say a very huge thank you to all of you, because there would be no me without you. I'd also like to say a big thank you to Urban Zulu Television for having me here on this program. And to my beautiful host, Tabata, I want to say a wonderful thank you to her. And not forgetting my fellow South African reggae musicians. Hoping to hang out with you guys someday soon. And I also thank you all too for accepting and appreciating me. I just want to say thank you.
Thank you so much, Ike Marimba. We appreciate and love you. To our kings and queens, one love. This is Eben Zulu. I'm your lady, Nontyantyambo Tabata. See you on the next one. I'm out.